Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineer Help Desk. Before going to start my video, I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Viewers, today we will discuss few important terms related to fluid mechanics. Viewers, fluid mechanics is a branch of civil engineering. So as an engineer, we must have knowledge about fluid mechanics. These are few important terms that are very important for a civil engineer to know. In some interviews or in some job tests, these terms can be asked. So first of all, come to first term, which is density. Viewers, what is density? Density is mass per unit volume of a liquid. Because we are talking about liquid, that's why I say liquid. Density is mass per unit volume of liquid. So it's mean, if we want to drive the formula, then density equals to mass per unit volume. So density is denoted by rho, whereas mass is denoted by m and volume is denoted by v. So this is the formula for density for any liquid. Here viewers, remember the unit for density is mass unit is kg and volume unit is meter cube. So unit for density is kg per cubic meter. Viewers, now come to the next term, which is weight density, or you can say specific density. Normally we use specific density. Where specific density is weight per unit volume of liquid. It is defined as weight per unit volume of liquid. There is difference between density and specific density. Density is mass per unit volume, but specific density is weight per unit volume. It is denoted by small w. This specific density, it is denoted by small w. Now we will derive the formula for specific density. Specific density is equal to weight per unit volume. Weight denoted by W, capital W, and volume denoted by V. Now viewers, you know that weight is equal to mass into gram. In previous classes, in inter or in metric, you may hear about this definition of weight, which is equal to mass into gravity. So weight is equal to mg, mass into gravity. If I put this value of W in here, so we get mg divided by volume. Now viewers, this m mass is multiplying by g, but if I divide mass by volume by reciprocal rule, so it will come g divided by v divided by m. So viewers, we know that v divided by m is equal to, it is reciprocal of, as you know here, mass divided by volume is equal to density, but if volume divided by mass, it will be equal to 1 upon density, reciprocal of density. So we put reciprocal of density. So viewers, this row is dividing here multiply by d. So this is the derivation for specific density. Specific density is denoted by small w is equal to density into gravity. Now viewers, come to the next term, which is specific volume. Viewers, it is defined as the volume per unit mass of liquid. It is denoted by small v. Mass per unit volume. Specific volume is denoted by small v, mass per unit volume. Now we have come to the last term, which is specific gravity. Normally you hear about this specific gravity, where it is defined as the ratio of specific weight of a liquid to the specific weight of pure liquid. It is a ratio of specific weight of any liquid to the specific weight of water. Water is taken as a standard, so specific gravity is equal to specific weight of any liquid divided by specific weight of water. So here we derive it. Specific gravity is denoted by gamma, so WL divided by WW. This is the formula for specific gravity. Here WW mean specific weight of water, which is a standard. Viewers, hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get my notification whenever I upload any video.